Welcome back everyone. Today we're going to use the Luvele Breeze Dehydrator to make ourselves an awesome savory snack. We're going to turn this beetroot into some rosemary and sea salt chips. It's only a few simple steps, so let's get straight into it. So this recipe only has 4 ingredients. We've got 4 large beetroot here, 3 sprigs of rosemary, some sea salt, and some olive oil. The beetroot chips shrink a little in the dehydrator, so make sure you get the biggest ones you can find. These 4 here will fill up all 6 trays. First up, we need to peel the beetroot, and then we're going to slice them really thin using a mandolin. If you don't have one of those, then of course use a sharp knife to slice as thinly as you possibly can. Now this gets a little messy, so it's a really good idea to use gloves if you have some. Our beetroot is all cut up now, and I've just got it in a stainless steel bowl. I'm now going to just chop up our 3 sprigs of rosemary, and we can mix that all together in just a minute. Now we can go in with 2 teaspoons of flaked sea salt. Finally, just 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Give it a good mix through, and then we'll load them straight onto our dehydrator trays. Once you've got all your trays loaded up, you can pop the lid back on. We'll set the temperature to 50 degrees and the time to 14 hours. Our beetroot chips should be finished now, so it's time to see how they've turned out. Our beetroot chips have turned out really nice and crispy. The flavor from the rosemary and sea salt is amazing. Serve them straight away or keep them in an airtight container in the pantry. So that's how you make yourself some rosemary and salt beetroot chips using the Breeze Dehydrator. Make sure you have a go at this one at home and let us know how you go in the comments below. Hit subscribe if you haven't already to see more Luvele Life recipes and other ways to use your appliances. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you again next week for another Luvele Life recipe.